You're not gonna speak, you know? Living that lavish life. On a boat. Hello MTV. Welcome to my crib. We got that young shower over here. You know what, I'm just gonna do an overview. We don't need this whole stuffy. And then these two things like go down pretty cool. Going to the gym right now. I have my brother's headphones on. Oh my god, they're so good. I need them. Please eat them.
This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suite, living lavish lives. This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suite, living lavish lives. Lavish, lavish.
Okay. Post-workout carb load. Unlimited soft serve. We're probably gonna take a shower and then go see the show and then maybe eat. So yeah.
I've been meaning to fuck you in the garden.
Changed. Probably gonna see a magic show later. We'll see whatever is happening, but that's what's going on right now. Look at the mirror. It's huge. Okay, so that is that. There's my brother coming up back there. He's in front of me. Gonna get food. Maybe it's a taste of Spain. We'll see.
Give it to you over again, over again, over again, over again. Making love. Hola. Hola, no. Telling me this, telling me that.
How did Spain taste, brother? No? Basic? You thought it was basic? You've had better? Where? Okay. How did Spain taste? How do you think Spain tasted? Ethan. Ethan, what just happened? Who came up to you? Ethan, who came up to you? What happened? You have to explain the story.
Just say I'm 19 and they're younger than 18.
Okay, so we just saw a show. It wasn't good. I fell asleep. I don't even remember it. And right now we're watching the Manhattan Band, so we'll see how this goes. My mom's getting a drink right now. Yeah, that's fun stuff. We'll see. I'm wearing my white Birkenstock. Look at my white Birkenstock. Watch it. I want to watch it. He doesn't want to watch it, but I want to watch it. So I went to DJ Night Owl's dance party. It was intense. Then like really bad people started to dance and I was like, oh, gross. And then I had to leave. And then no one was home and then I called someone that in panic. That was the wrong person. So.
Why are you panicking?
Because I was like, I don't know where you guys are, so I'm in here alone.
Doesn't matter. You're here, safe.
I guess. No, I was gonna venture out. I was considering venturing out. But yeah. Now they're here. And I'm sleeping on this bunk bed. It's pretty tight. So yeah, tomorrow brings a new day, so this is the end of vlog day 1. Woo.